Good morning, students. Myself SJP sir. Today I am going to begin a new topic, development of resources in class 10th, the very first chapter of geography, the resources and development. This is my second volume. In this volume I want to explain how resources can be developed, how development of resources are important, and if we had not developed resources, what problems came, what major problems were faced. Come, let's start one by one. Resources are vital for human survival as well as maintaining the quality of life. It is very necessary, it is compulsory. If human being means we people want to survive on this earth, then resources are must, because without resources we cannot perform our daily life activities, and along with this our life quality could not be maintained. We will look like rural people if there are no resources. So we should have good quality resources so that we develop high quality life, good life standard, and maintain our life standard. It was believed that resources are free gifts of nature. Many people believe, even today it is believed, that all natural gifts, all resources, they are natural gifts and they are free. As a result, in earlier time, because of this belief, people started cutting, misusing these resources recklessly, and they had, without any intention, they had depleted forest, they had misused water resources, and they misused various other resources, which caused a great danger. Without thinking, they used, fossil fuels recklessly, and this resulted a many types of problem. And today we will discuss some major problems. those major problems due to indiscriminate यानी अंधाधुंध इस्तेमाल जो हमने किया, तो ड्यू टू दिस indiscriminate exploitation of resources by us, because we are human beings, we had done all these things. The first problem came, depletion of resources. Resources became depleted, means they became, decaying, and because of depletion of resources, and because we wanted to satisfy our greed, human being had been greedy in nature since child, and to satisfy the greed of few individuals, few peoples, they wanted to become ambitious like Napoleon Bonaparte. They wanted to, store as much as possible, they wanted to have everything, they wanted to become rich. That's why, our greed, to satisfy our greed, we had depleted resources, and it became a problem in front of us. Then it comes accumulation of resources in new hands. Few hands means all resources, they were collected in few hands, only few people, they had stored these resources, and in turn it divided the society into two segments. What was the result? The whole society was divided into two parts, haves and have not. Haves means those people who have so many things, and have nots those people who were deprived of everything, means those people who were rich and some people who were poor. So whole society was divided into two parts, haves and have nots, or rich and poor, means the gap between them increased day by day. And third problem came, indiscriminate exploitation of resources, means resources were exploited without thinking, without any future planning, without any thinking. They started depleting forest, depleting resources, and it led to a global ecological crisis such as climate change, such as tsunami, various other natural disasters are happening because of these global ecological crisis that was caused due to indiscriminate exploitation of resources such as and global warming, ozone layer depletion. What I have told, global warming was became rapid, ozone layer depleted rapidly, and environmental pollution and land degradation took place because of indiscriminate exploitation. Means these were problems. So we can say that we should use resources judiciously, wisely, with some planning. But we had not done. Let us do an activity. Imagine if the oil supply gets exhausted. मान लेते हैं ऑयल सप्लाई ख़त्म हो गया, एक दिन ख़त्म हो गया. हाउ वुड दिस अफेक्ट आवर लाइफ स्टाइल? इससे हमारी लाइफ स्टाइल पे क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा? मीन्स इट विल गिव अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट. फर्स्ट वन, all vehicles machines run by oil, they will stop. Means we cannot use our bike, we cannot use our car, train cannot run, aeroplane cannot fly, and you can say many industrial activities they will stop because they are using oil as fuel. So our lifestyle, it will become very poor and we will lag behind 50 years back. So it is very important that we should not exploit natural resources. Second activity, plan a survey in your colony village to investigate people's attitude towards recycling of domestic agricultural waste. How peoples are disposing their waste, whether they are throwing all waste here and there, or they are collecting waste and they are you know selling them to those people who used to bring it towards factories where recycling is done, or agricultural waste are thrown here and there, or it is used in cultivation. Means you can ask your sideways, means your neighbor peoples, what do they think about resources they use. You can make a survey, it is a survey work, and what is their opinion, you make collect their opinions and you make a collage for your results. Means you make a recycling views of people who believed in recycling and views of people who use to better use of agricultural waste and so on. So this activity can be done by students. An equitable distribution of resources has become essential for sustained quality of life and global peace. Resources should be distributed equally. बराबर में हिस्सा, मतलब हर क्षेत्र के लोगों को रिसोर्सेज मिलने चाहिए. ये नहीं कि एक ही दो लोगों को ही रिसोर्सेज का फ़ायदा मिले, बाकी लोग देखते रहें. मीन्स इट शुड बी सस्टेन्ड. मीन्स it will be it has become essential for a sustained quality of life. Means we should use our life in such a way so that whatever we are doing, whatever resources we are using, it should be used wisely and it should maintain global peace. No two countries fight with each other for natural resources. If the present trend of resource depletion by a few individuals and countries continues, the future of the planet is in danger. Definitely, if the present trend continue, nowadays what we are doing to satisfy our greed, we are depleting resources, and only few people they have become owner of these resources. It will create a difficult problem, and the future of our planet, it will go in danger. Everybody will suffer from this problem. Therefore, resource planning is essential for sustainable existence of all forms of life. So we should do a planning. Every work should be planned. So resources should also be planned. It is very compulsory, very important that we should do its sustainable use, and its existence should be sustained. Means it should be used judiciously and wisely. Sustainable existence is a component of you.